Downforce metal detecting. I'm Devin, doing a ring recovery. I was contacted the other day, and the person ran off the road into some mud and was stuck with their car, so they had to get some help. And they were underneath the car, kind of hooking it up, trying to get it pulled out, and felt their wedding ring come off, and then couldn't find it later. So check out what happened. A lot of EMI here. Getting a lot of EMI. Let's do a frequency scan. I'm going to use a fast program, XY screen, sensitivity 95. I'm going to lower that discrimination because I don't know what this ring is. Frequency, high frequency, that's good. Reactivity 4. Discrimination, we're going to go down on that. Okay, we'll just say 10. Alright. Fast 40 program, 40 kilohertz. Okay, we need a little heavier duty tool here. We got the anti-frozen ground device here. That's a pull tab. Okay, so happy ending. I found the ring. They were happy. Some tips if you are running into a situation like this, somebody lost a ring or something. Just like any other time you metal detect, adjust your machine to the targets you're looking for. Here we were looking for what I imagined was a shallow target, and that ended up being the case. Sensitivity does not have to be very high. You can bring it down a little bit. That'll help with some of the noise. Very low discrimination or all metal, whatever your machine says, because we don't know how low that is going to come up on the scale, unless it's a silver ring, okay? But gold, you're not going to know. This ring was a metal. We weren't even sure what it was before we started. So I ran all metal with very low discrimination. Reactivity speed was, on the higher side. Doesn't matter. I'm not going for a deep target. So anything you do to adjust for a deep target, your reactivity speed low, your sensitivity high, your frequency low. I ran multi-frequency with a high, with a 40 max, just because I want to be able to catch whatever, and just get out there and try to really think about the area and where the most likely place where that that item got lost, and prioritize those areas. So anyway, if you liked my video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and swing away.